My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications related to the website Antivirusupdate.info. Antivirusupdate.info is a fake alert. It claims to be related to some decent security software, and the pop-up indicates that your computer might be vulnerable to viruses, spyware, malware, botnets, and other malware. However, all such information is absolutely faulty, and you should not trust any of such deceptive messages. We strongly advise that you do not ever interact with these fake alerts and do not download or install anything that they suggest. The reason why these pop-ups come up on your screen is because the system could be infected by some hidden adware. We recommend checking the control panel and checking the list of available programs. In case you find any suspicious items, just uninstall them. Now, to make sure that your system is free of any other possibly hidden threats, I would recommend examining your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green button, install the software, and then start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner works very well to detect and eliminate all other threats which could be possibly hidden and concealed on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.